everybody. Welcome to 1402. We're finally ready to reveal our first ever renovation project. I want to take you on a tour, so let's go. So we're gonna come through the master bedroom. Again, there's the pantry. Turn the corner. Here's the beautiful kitchen once again. We're gonna head to the laundry room. The laundry room is great. We love these cabinets that we were able to keep. We just put on new door fronts. Again, these were original, but this is great storage for above your washer and dryer with great lighting, plenty of space for washer and dryer. And then through here is a garage, which we've completely redone, and it's nice and clean. We also added a really cool feature on this wall. It's just a pegboard so that you can hang anything that you need to. So there are a couple of things I want to point out outside of the house. For starters, the entire house has been repainted. It's a soft gray. The gables have all been painted, and we've added shutters at the front and around the side. We've also resurfaced the sidewalk and the patio and added a new front door, which I just love that blue color. New lighting, new porch light. We've cleaned up all of the shrubs, the trees around the property. And so I'm gonna come around this direction and show you the side. So you can see all these pretty shutters on this side of the house.